Hi students, I welcome you all in lecture number 26 in which we'll see optimization and we'll get a deep dive in optimization in WordPress. Okay, so what we will learn today, in today's lecture we'll see a plugin named Smush. In Smush, we use this plugin for image optimization. By its name, it is like equivalent to Smash, or Smush means it just squeeze the um, image size of the uh, all the media which is present in our media files in the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so why we need that? um, Sometimes in our website, when we are using some larger banners or some larger images, by larger I mean not in this like length or height, but in the size. Okay, so we if we're using heavy images, so it will like affect the speed very much, and it will contain more space, and by more space our website will be slow. So by Smush plugin, we just minimize the space and minimize the size of the images. And where next we'll see regenerate thumbnails. So our each and every image which is present on our website um, will be taken as thumbnail. Okay, so if they're like uh, different in size, by size I mean here by the length and height and width. So if they are different uh, in length, so we can regenerate the thumbnail and we can just make them all similar, you can say height and width. And then WebP Images means we are uploading images like uh, PNG format or JPG format. So this thing helps us to just change the format of the website images, so they'll get embedded into the website, so no one can easily download those images. Okay, and these are very much helpful. The PNG or JPG images sometimes get broken, and they just send HTTP request. By HTTP request I mean this is directly related to the SSL certificate. Means the HTTPS present in our link. So by HTTP, Google consider it's like uh, a difficulty and a threat to the security. Okay, so and then we will see how to reset your database, or how to reset all of the WordPress posts if you're using one website. And at and suppose if you have hosting, and you are making website for a customer on your hosting, because your customer doesn't have a hosting right now. So what you do is you create all of the website in your hosting, and after that, when you are done, you just transport the whole of the website into the customer hosting. So you're gonna have to reset your WordPress, so you can just use your database or your WordPress for another website. Then we'll see how to do manual translation by using one more plugin, which is Translate Press. And then we'll see analytics, that how many users are on your website, and how many users are on the any specific page, and what are the different analytics of every page. What is the favorite thing of favorite product or favorite page of the customers who visit our website. Then we'll see what is the file manager. Okay, so by file manager, suppose if we're working on the local host, and in the XAMPP folder we have htdocs folder. So suppose if we are having some kind of issues with the packet files, so in localhost this is easier to tackle because we have htdocs folder. And but when we are working on online servers, so how to get to the packet files? This is the way. So you can just easily connect with the backend files. Then we'll see what is the captcha and why we need it, and what are captcha settings. Sometimes we, when our we just fill any form, so on the Google, it gives us to check that if you are not a robot or you are just randomly clicking images. Okay, so why it is important? It is important because we don't want any robot entry, and I don't want that someone like and re-enter the same data again and again, or invalid data. So if sometimes computer automatically does that, so we'll just stop the robot entry. Then we'll work with the chatbot and be in details with the chatbot. Then we'll see on page SEO plugin, all in one SEO pack, and rank math is also related to the SEO. We'll see what are these plugins, and at the very end we'll see WCFM or DOKAN. These are two different plugins, and these are used for multi-vendor website. Suppose what is multi-vendor? Suppose we are Amazon. So if Amazon it's selling itself, so it is the store for the Amazon, but other users are also active on the Amazon, and they just sell their different products under the banner of Amazon. So that is multi-vendor. We have one main vendor, and all of the vendors are working under that main vendor. Okay, so these plugins helps us in that. Okay, so let us quickly move towards the browser. Okay, so I'm gonna go into plugins and see that what plugins we are currently having. And okay, let me first remove the all of the inactive plugins, because these are not necessary and these are extra. Okay, so I'll just simply click all and delete each one of them, so it will get deleted one by one. Okay, connection lost, service PC. So it will delete it one by one. Okay, cool. Let them get deleted. And okay, commerce orders. Okay, so these are 6 orders which we placed just to test the orders things. Okay, so every of the plugin is deleted, so I'll go to add new. Okay, till then I'll just remove these orders because these are fake orders. Okay, I'm moving this to trash, all of them. Okay, so it'll be they will be in the trash. So first of all, we'll search for Smush. Okay, so here is Smush. This is for lazy load images and optimize and compress images. Compress images and optimize images with the lazy load WebP conversion and resize detection to make them like smaller in size. Okay. Okay, so I'll activate the plugin because it is successfully installed. Okay, so I'll go into the settings here. I can go here, bulk smush. These all options are also present inside, but my main need is to smush the images. Okay, so it will show me that it has detected the images and 143 attachment that needs smushing. So I will just press bulk smush now. So it will get completed here, and it is like optimizing the images. Okay, till then I'll go to the new plugins. Okay, 6.7% done. So what is our next plugin? That is regenerate thumbnail. Okay, before going to any other plugin, I should look at the sorry, directory smush, lazy load, CDN, content delivery network, local WebP, and these are the different indications and tools and settings. Okay, we, yep, open it in a new tab. uh yep, so this is the dashboard. It is showing that 25 images are smushed at this 0.7%. Okay, and this is the directory where smush images are being saved. And image resize savings, resize the images. We can also resize the images. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and this is getting bulk smush here. Here, sorry. Yep. And it is where we can just select the custom sizes for making them smush through this, but we are doing it for all. And automatic compression, metadata is also on, image resizing is off, disable scaled images. If we'll make it on, so we're gonna have to give them a specific max width and height to resize them, but we will do this by regenerate thumbnails, which is our next plugin. And uh, for uploaded images, automatically compress uploaded images, yes. Backup uploaded images, yes. Okay, and I don't need any other. Okay, and this is getting smushed. Okay, lazy load. Lazy load means whenever you are, suppose you are having picture at this point and at this point. Okay, so whenever you will just be at that place, it will just load that by then only. It doesn't get loads automatically when all of the page is like being refreshed, and every image should go into the server and just get refreshed. So it will just make the server slow, so it will only be active when we'll get to the specific point. Okay, and this is a content delivery network, CDN. Okay, so this is also necessary for like uh, optimizing the speed. And these are different tools: image resize detection, yes. And bulk restore thumbnails, I don't want to restore anything, so I'll just save changes. Okay, and settings are for general translation, usage tracking, configurations, data and setting, and accessibility. So how much this is done? It is 7%. Okay, so basic configuration is applied already, and what is present in the data and settings. Okay, if you want to restore images, where you can navigate it. If you want to keep your uninstallation from the front end, or if you want to delete them forever, so this is also be done. And if you want to apply any API status, if you want to check that what API is being doing, so you can check the status here. Okay, and okay, this is being done. So we'll just go to regenerate thumbnails. Okay, so it will just search once again. So I will install this first one. It has 1 million plus active installations. Regenerate thumbnails for one of the more of your images uploads, useful when changing their sizes or your theme. Okay, so I'll also activate this. So it will take some time because we have 143 images and right now we're on the 17th. Okay, so we'll go to the tools and regenerate thumbnails. Okay, uh, so we're skipping regenerated existingly corrected sizes thumbnail. Yes, I'm skipping it. And delete the thumbnail folder for old unregistered sizes in order to free up the server space. So I'll regenerate thumbnails for all of the 145 images. So it will also take some time. So we will move towards WebP Images. Okay, so this is another plugin. Yep. WebP. So it will start searching for the plugins. Regenerate place order. Just now speed up your website. Yes, this one. They both have the same installations, but this is 5-star. Okay. Okay, so it is getting installed. Till now 198 are being are smushed. Okay, so I'll activate this. WebP convert for converter for media, convert WebP and optimize images. Due to these ongoing process, this would be slow. So this is activated, so it is giving me the option to speed up my website here. And okay, this is 23% done and this is 9% done. Okay, it will get refreshed automatically. Okay, so I have cancelled those processes because that will take a lot of time in our lecture. So what we will do is we will just go with another plugins. Okay, so what are the next thing? WP reset. Okay, so go to the plugins here, add new. Okay, okay, so what we were going to WP reset. So it okay, solve the first one. Resets the entire site or selected part using advanced reset options to the default. Okay. Right. next would be okay. I'll just rearrange some of the things to do. Okay, just simply activate it. Okay, as if I remember, this is what we have done earlier, chatbot. So let this be activated. But if still you want any other lectures or any issues related to the chatbot, you can ask me in the personal chat. Okay, so I don't want to repeat the things which we have done already so far. Okay, so this is done. WP reset. You can go to tools and go to reset. So it will be here. Okay, and so you're gonna have to go into the tools for this, and I'll tell you how to reset, but I will not reset it right now because we are working on this server. Okay, so you just simply click if you want to reactivate the current theme, reactivate all the plugins. Okay, just simply type reset, this reset, and reset the site. That's it. It will just automatically erase everything in the tables in the database and in the plugins, contact form, paydays, post, everything, comments. Okay, and next thing is analytics, file manager, and Captcha. Okay, I'm not talking about these analytics. Let me show you. Okay. Okay, so we'll install this. Remember the logo. Use Google Analytics on your WordPress site without touching any code and view visitor reports right in your WordPress admin dashboard. Okay. Let it be installed first. Okay, this is installed. So we'll also go with the file manager. These are wrong spellings. Okay. Okay. Um, so I will install the file manager here. Okay, and what is very next? The captcha and translation. Okay, in this today's video we'll download these plugins, but we'll not work on this. We'll work on this in the next lecture, and we're doing this till here. File manager, captcha. Okay. uh, okay. And next is translation plugin. So just upload it here. Okay, first of all, let me see if I want to add manual translation. Okay. Okay, go with the Translate Press plugin. Here. Yep. Install it. And next is on-page SEO, rank math, and WCFM. Okay, and go to the installer. Okay, so it was like failed, but this is a premium actually, and I have no premium version with myself right now. It was an old version. So if any one of your group wants to learn this, they can buy it and they can bring that plugin to me. So I will just screen share and just teach you all of the stuff. Right now, I've tried with the old version, but it doesn't work. So I'm SEO. Moving forward into the next plugin with the lecture. Okay, rank math, Yoast SEO. Okay, it has 5+ million active installation. These are both for SEO, but this is very much recommended. And rank math, then WCFM. Okay, WCFM for the multi-vendor. Okay, install this, and I don't think so we need any more. Front-end manager, booking, subscription, marketplace, membership, vendor membership. Nothing. Okay, so these are quite big plugins. So let these get installed first. Okay. So we will just learn these three, and this is for the groups who want to learn the manual translation. Just please buy the Translate Press. Let me write it here. Translate Press. Okay, so you're gonna have to buy this premium plugin, and I'll tell you how to integrate it and work with it. Okay, and these are for the next lecture, but we are just downloading them. Okay, so all of them are activated, sorry, installed. Let us go to the plugins. Okay, at very first we will see this file manager and analytics captcha. Okay, activate it. Okay, so let us see that if those plugins are activated now. uh, okay, first of all we'll go to the file manager, and this is the similar with the htdocs in the localhost folder. So let me also open the htdocs folder here with me. So I'll just tell you that it is the same but on the live server. XAMPP htdocs, and yeah, I don't have WordPress here, but if you people have which have like WordPress on the local host, they must see the WordPress file folder here, and in the file manager, let it be open first. Okay, I don't want to verify this. Yeah, here, so you see WP admin, WP content, plugin, themes, includes, htaccess. Everything is similar to the one folder which you have at the localhost. So if sometimes you're gonna face some error in the backend of the WordPress, so this is the way you can connect to the backend. Okay, and next plugin was uh, Captcha and analytics. Okay, so it is giving a pop-up, so you should accept this. Okay, it needs to get authenticated with the Google. I'm just signing in with my email. Um, Still the wrong. Okay, I'm trying with some other email, maybe this one. Next. Okay, and allow this thing. So copy this code here and paste this code here and save changes. So it is done. So it will get you analytics from the Google Insights, that how many visitors are just randomly watch your home page or any kind of specific product or something like that. Exclude tracking for roles. This, I just want to show the tracking to the administrator, and enable this and save changes. Next thing is Captcha. Okay, where is Captcha? Go to the dashboard. Okay. In plugins, installed plugins, we must have Captcha here. Okay, it must be on the contact form automatically. So view the site. Let me also open this contact form 7 plugin, because this is showing that it must be in the contact form, so it is not showing here. let me see that in Elementor. Go to the plugin. Sometimes we don't find out that where is the exact menu, so this is the short way to check that. Where is Captcha? Yep. View details. Okay, screenshots. Installation, upload, really simple, activate, and if there is no control panel for this plugin, good. Uh, okay, it should be like this, but why it is not coming up in the contact form 7? It must be some kind of short code. Okay, let me check it here. Okay, it comes like this. Input this code, this code, this code. Captcha. Um, Go to the contact form 7. Here and edit this contact form. Okay, let us go with another plugin. Captcha. So this is getting installed, and after this installation, we'll activate the plugin. Okay, so if this will not work, I'll look for this and get back to you in the next lecture. First, let me see this, if this works. Cool. Um, yep, here. Okay, so this is a quite long procedure, so I'll find for some good captcha, but still, if you just get the concept what I want to deliver, so I'll get back to you in the next lecture. Thank you for today's lecture. Bye for now.